Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.79. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 0.51% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.05% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decline may occur within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15.35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 41.25% to negative 2.37%. Considering the long-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts an expected change of negative 11.02%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 31.33% and positive 50.98% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price range between $2.71 and $5.95. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock price down 0.505% on Wednesday. The NIO stock price decreased by 0.505% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, dropping from $3.96 to $3.94. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.57%, with a low of $3.92 and a high of $4.06. The price has shown variability during this period, and there has been a gain of 2.6% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, though this was in conjunction with falling prices. This may signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 33 million shares were traded, with an approximate value of $130,073,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the stock price is 48.9%, or $3.77, below the 52-week high, and 94.12%, or $63.05, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. has announced it will report its unaudited financial results for the first quarter of 2025 on June 3, 2025, before the U.S. markets open. This upcoming earnings report is pivotal, as it could provide crucial insights into the company's financial health and operational efficiency amidst ongoing economic uncertainties. Investor sentiment leading into this announcement could remain cautious, affecting stock price volatility in the short term. Recent discussions around NIO's strategic position highlight its potential to improve margins, driven by growing sales across varied electric vehicle platforms and an effective battery swap strategy. Although the stock trades at a discount compared to historical valuations, analysts view this as a potential buying opportunity, suggesting that NIO may offer value amid broader market challenges. Despite recent dips in stock price and comparisons to competitors like XPeng, NIO's prospects are being bolstered by a recovering gross profit margin, which is reportedly outperforming some U.S. auto manufacturers. The market's focus on NIO's upcoming financial results will dictate short-term movements, but the long-term outlook remains optimistic if the company successfully leverages its diversified offerings and navigates the volatile tariff landscape. Overall, this mix of anticipated results and strategic positioning may provide a bounce back for NIO in the coming weeks. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated NIO as neutral with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Wells Fargo gave NIO an equal weight grade, accompanied by an upgrade action. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Macquarie rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade action. Lastly, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup again rated NIO as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $4.04. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at roughly $3.83. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 8.58%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 51 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 14 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.57%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.79%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for NIO, let us first examine some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. Nevertheless, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at negative 22 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.93. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.80, reflecting a decline of 3.52%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. There is currently a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 17 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative indicators, suggesting it could be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it may be more prudent to treat it as a hold or accumulation opportunity at this time, while monitoring future developments. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of May, we anticipate NIO will open higher by approximately 3.3 cents, starting at a price of $3.97. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.